This is super dope. It's like a really dope retro look to it. That's pretty dope. I could see myself sporting these. Oh, they're still here. The size 10.5. LeBron 13s? What the fuck? Yeah, 75 bucks and you get 20% off. Size 7.5. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Back at another Nike outlet, you guys. Yeah, I'm at the Nike outlet out in East LA. It's currently what, Thursday? I think it's like 11 o'clock. It's been open for like an hour. Yeah, I just stopped by the Citadel and stopped by this place right because it's right next door. So yeah, let's go see what we got. Let's see what they got here. Yeah, we came here. I came here on Tuesday before they had a sale. Today's their first day of the sale, so it's gonna be interesting to see if they have any other stuff. But I don't remember them having that much heat, so I don't think it's gonna be that, that interesting. But yeah, let's see what happens, you guys. Let's see what happens. Don't forget to show me what you guys are finding out there. I do have a monthly video showing what you guys got, so we can all learn from each other and stuff. So yeah, let me know. Make sure you guys DM me or tag me in your video. Let me know what city you guys are at or where the outlet is, and let me know how much you got the deals for, you guys. Let's go see what's up. All right, seems like they got 20% off the hash wall. Let's see what's up, you guys. See what's up. When the size 10, 10.5. So looks like we got a reseller just stocking up on all kinds of stuff. Cool, good for them. All right, let's see what's up. More of these, of course. Plenty of these. Going for 200, get 20% off. John Elliott, how are these still going for 250? Some places we've seen it for 200. Okay, so these 65 for the foam posit cup, the Air Force Ones. Posit cups. This is 65 bucks. Not bad. 25% off on top of that. So 52, 53. Not bad. If you like that material, I don't know. It's a little tough for me, but yeah, 10.5. Showed these on Tuesday. This might be the dopest thing. Don't really have any resale value, but for personal, this is super dope. It's like it is a limited pair. Obviously, it's not super limited because there's no resale, but hella dope. I forgot what these are called. I looked it up and then I forgot what they're called. But yeah, go for $130, get what, $26 off. So 104. They look hella dope. And then this part is 3M too. So yeah, that's always fun. I think these just came out, the Air Flight 89s. I swear these just came out. Not a huge fan of the material, but it's also not crazy expensive too. So, but yeah, really dope retro look to it. I like that retro look. Pretty dope. Going for 120. Oh yeah, did forget to show. Yeah, because these are the retros. They did come alongside the Jordan 4s. So yeah, kind of a Jordan 4 body, Jordan 4 midsole with the Air. Cool. What are these? Like Zoom Air Super Rep. Going for $120. Okay. Never seen these before. That's a huge stack of Zoom Air though on both sides. Kind of similar to the LeBron 2017s. Yeah. Or LeBron 17s. Yeah. Dang, not bad. Not a huge fan of the look though, and it's all white too. But, hey, those of you guys like them, come get them. 20% off. Mamba Focus, $100. What is this? The NS. Oh, it's a women's shoe, but the React Vision. Let's look at the React Vision. I don't know. Kind of looks like an Element, but the upper looks different, and the bottom's a different color too. But the upper, yeah, it seems like more of a durable material. Yeah, not too bad. I'm not too big a fan of the colorway, but yeah, $140 is a little bit high though. A little bit high. Get 20% off, but still too high. When the size 9 tailwind's going for $90, 20% off. Size 8.5. Oh, there's no way those are going for retail. There's no way. But yeah, get 20% off, whatever that price is. Got some Pegasus 36, $90, 20% off. Oh, I was like, what is this? The Black History Months. Those are, they're awful. Like, why would you make that a Black History Month? Like you guys need to do that a little bit better. $130, 20% off. Max Auras going for $65. Do these have resale? Like, Let's go. The reseller over there was picking these up like nothing. 65, 20% off. So that's what 50. That's what 50. Or what, $52 or something. The Jordan React Havoc. These are Jordan's pretty much Jordan's training sneakers. Kind of similar, very similar to the Odyssey Reacts or the Epic Reacts. But yeah, these going for retail though, man. We've seen these for hella cheap at the clearance center. $130. What is this? Air Max Vapor Wing? These are heavy as hell though. They look dope. They look pretty dope. I could see myself sporting these. Okay. Are these the Vapors? So does that mean they're tennis? Because that's Nike's tennis logo right there. So yeah, got a little air unit in the back. Okay. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. I think that's meant for tennis. Totally meant for tennis. But yeah, go for $90. Get 30% off. Not too many other people are gonna be sporting these, so yeah. There was a there was a Jordan 10 wings right there. The reseller just picked those up. I'd be surprised to see them making money off of that. That was interesting. Kyrie Flytrap 2s going for $65. Get 20% off of that. We saw these last week. Air Force One Premiums. This is size 11. I don't know why this is over here. Someone probably hid it so they can buy it later. I know that trick. But yeah, these are clean, hella clean, you guys. This is a premium. I guess the materials make it premium. I don't know. But yeah, I really like that Nike swoosh right there, man. That looks hella clean. But yeah, these are going for I think what, $130 if I remember. $130 and then you get 20% off. $140 and 20% off. Size 11. Yeah, smaller size. Air Max Okitos. Yeah, we've seen these for hella cheap. That's crazy. $75. That's crazy. Last of the small sizes. Got the Metcon 4s. XDs going for $60. That's a solid price for those. Those of you guys like to work out. And back in the size 10, 10.5. Got the Legacy 3 toes go for $110. That's so high. Got the 720s going for $135. Way too high for those as well, even with the 20 off. Then got the Mars 270s. Let's see what those are going for. $110. That's high as well, man. That's crazy. The Air Force One. Oh, size 10.5. The Air Force One. These are the MTAs. More than an athlete. I do like these a lot. I really do. Maybe if I got them like way cheap, maybe. But yeah, not for $130 even. $130, 20% off. Still, what, $104? That's still too high. These blazers, hella clean. Got these suede blazers, size 10.5. But yeah, it is going for retail though. And even with that 20% off, look, it looks like, look, there's an arrow pointing to it saying it's dope. Look. But yeah, they are dope, super clean. But yeah, $75. Even with the 20% off, a little high because you see blazers going for hella cheap at the outlets. In the size 11s now, got the 312s going for $90. Damn, that's high. Got the foam posit, the Air Force One foam posit cuffs, $65. They still got plenty of these, even though the resales took a bunch. Spiz Ice going for $90. These don't look that bad, dude. These don't look bad at all. Witness 3s going for $80, 20% off. Zoom Freaks, $120, 20% off. Got some Flight Legacy, some Nike retros with the same Jordan 4 midsole. Don't look bad, not too shabby. You do get an ugly little stain thing right there, but yeah, you can probably take that off. And 20% off, size 11. A little bit plain, more plain than the Jordans, and the materials aren't as good. But whatever the price is, 20% off. It looks like it's going for MSRP. 12.5 Metcon 2s, hella bright, but at least people know where you are when you're at the gym, I guess. $70, 20% off, good deal. Okay. The Dog Days pack of the Cortez, going for $120 though, man. We've seen these for still in the size 12. Got the Air Max Okitos, a nice budget option. Not too bad, not the greatest, but for $35 and you get 20% off, that's what, $27? Not too shabby. Apparently they extended size to 312. That's a hell of a deal. Hell of a deal, plus the 20% off. Oh, they're still here. The size 10.5. It's in this 12 section, but still here. The Air Max. The Air Max. The Air Max Up Tempo 95. Still going for 80 bucks. And the size. We're in the size 13. Still got a few of these bad boys up for 80 bucks. 20% off. Legacy 312 going for 75. Got this Florida Gators colorway of the Epic Flyknit 2s for 80 bucks. Mars 270, 75. What the hell is this, you guys? Look at this. Some LeBron 13s? What the fuck? Man, that's a weird colorway. What the hell? That is crazy. That's crazy, you guys. What the hell? That is crazy. And it's a 13.5. What? That's crazy. Size 14. Do got some Vapor Max. I think these are going for retail though. They got these Air Max Okitos, man. 35 bucks, but nobody wants those, man. Nobody wants those. Even if they're under 30 bucks. That's literally the only other 14. Oh, they got a few of these. Okay, they do got the React. Yeah. Why can't I say this? Epic React Flyknit 2s, the Florida Gators colorway. They got the Pegasus 35s. I got Jordan Mars too. Okay, they do got a few things. Jordan Mars, for 75. All right, and some 270 Reacts, but these don't got a price. I doubt they're going for retail. All right, the worker's actually looking up that price of the LeBrons for me. Look at the pick of the week, 90 bucks. These are always 90 bucks. I don't know why this is the pick of the week. I think this might be the same as the last video, but yeah, the top 3 is going for $110. PSG 270s going for $110. Joyrides. I don't know what colorway this is. Some more Joyrides. Got the Fear of God Mox. Plenty of sizes. Salmon colorway going for $120. All right, I just got word from my man right here. $89.99, you guys. And then these are also 20% off. So what's that? 89, 90. It's $72. 72 bucks, dude. Not bad. Okay, that is a pretty good price for the Element 55. Not too bad. Looks like they just decreased the price, so not bad. These going for a little bit more. Bad boys a little bit more as well. Yeah, these are way too pricey. Oh, this is new. These are pretty cool. Black History Month version of the Air Max 95s, but it's kind of supposed to be kind of ripped like this. But I think it's supposed to be like this, but this side is just straight up torn. But yeah, these actually aren't bad. These actually are not that bad, you guys. Retail's too much though, man. So if these go down in price, might be worth it. These are all kind of the same. They've all been here. I think these 200s went up, man. Why are they going up in price? Yeah, they all went up in price. That's crazy. Okay, got the black colorway of the Kyrie 6. I guess these are starting to make their way to outlets. It's the second outlet that we've seen them in. But yeah, go for retail. They should start going down in price. Wait a couple weeks. Got a couple of the PGs. I don't know why people would pay $190 for these. That's all, like almost retail. Man, not too bad if you like these. If you like these, hey man, get what you like, you guys. Don't worry about me. Not too bad. Not too bad. All right, we are checking out the women's section. They have quite a few things here. The Air Max 98s. Pretty interesting colorway. Kind of a metallic pink and like a, what is that, a turquoise, like a light blue. Oh, interesting colorway. But yeah, it's a size 6 going for $110. Air Max 95. I think these, oh yeah, I think these are the dirty pair. I've seen these here. 70 bucks. 70 bucks since they are dirty. Get 20% off too. The Air Max 720 size 6 going for 90 bucks. We got a random sneaker right there. Tailwinds going for 70 bucks, size 6.5. Got these Vapor Max Plus. Okay. These are going for retail. These should get 20% off. Pretty dope. Obviously, I wouldn't get them for myself, but the color definitely stands out. Going for 90 bucks. Or 190, my bad. 190, 20% off. We got a few of these Jordans still going for retail. That's crazy. The Jordan 7, the patent leather ones. Got an interesting colorway of the Air Max 97. These bad boys are going for 75 bucks. What the hell? 75 and you get 20% off. Damn. That's a hell of a discount. Might have been tried on. Maybe not entirely DS, but yeah, 75 bucks and you get 20% off. Size 7.5. Probably worth reselling, but not worth the trouble for me. But yeah, not bad. Looks like these might have just came to the clearance section from the aisles. So you got the bronze Air Force One, the SPs. I think these are going for retail though, 20% off. Another colorway, the 720s, going for 100 bucks, 20% off. Always got Vapor Max here, going for 80 bucks after the discount. 80 bucks, not too bad. Got a few of these, all going for retail. We're in the size 9.5 now. Not much in the bigger sections. Size 10, 11, 12. You got these Pegasus premiums, going for 45 bucks. That's a good deal. But yeah, size 11s are huge. Could be good for size 9.5 in guys. We're in the size of the 12s and stuff. Got more of the Pegasus. Got more of the, what is this? Oh, this is size 8.5, going for 100 bucks. Size 12, these actually $110. These actually go up in price. Usually the extended prices go down in price. That's weird. We're gonna check the women's aisles. Not really much in the back section. Let me check the front, and then yeah, I might wrap it up. Why are these so much cheaper than the guys? That's crazy. And then they actually go down. That's crazier. That's funny. This was the same price during Friends and Family. I actually thought about it when I was editing the video. Might have been decent. Might have been good enough. 20% off to get to resell these bad boys. But yeah, now they're back to 80 bucks. 80 bucks for these as well. So I was gonna head out because yeah, I'm kind of strapped for time. But yeah, look, 40% off. They got certain things on sale. So this is I want to say a tech fleece type of gear. Go for 90 bucks. Yeah, it's a tech pack. So 90 bucks for those, and you get 40% off, which is crazy. This jacket, the poofy jacket, going for 95. Get 40% off of that. 40% off of that for the full length full length sweats. Probably similar to the price that we saw at the clearance center, but still really good price. Got a few more things on sale. It says fleece only. This is not fleece. These are going for 70 bucks, but that's not fleece. So 40% off, 50 bucks. So what is that? $30? Not too bad. Not too bad. And on this side, it's tops only. So these sweatshirts going for what? 25 bucks. The Nike sweatshirt right here. Got another Nike sweatshirt right here going for 20. Was it 25 bucks or so? Yeah, not bad. Not bad. And the last thing they did have those Just Do It. These are 25 bucks as well. These are pretty dope. I just can't do white. Like, I trash all my white stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up, you guys. Gonna wrap it up. Time to head out. Not bad. It's just interesting. Just hella interesting because yeah, they had a bunch of new stuff in the aisles. Yeah, not bad. They had a few things in the clearance section. Not the greatest. 20% off is pretty cool. But yeah, not the greatest stuff in the clearance section, unfortunately. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for making this to the end of the video, you guys. Make sure you guys help your boy out. Press that like button. Make sure you guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead, press that subscribe button. And yeah, make sure you turn the notification bell on too, because I do drop a lot of videos. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Thanks for joining. Peace. Where to next? See how much time I got.